I'm Mimi Lodge, and we're going to be changing this tire. It has a tube inside of it, and as you can see, it's pretty flat. So we've got a wheelbarrow here, and first thing we're going to do is take off these bolts so we can get to the axle of the wheel and remove it. I'm going to work on this side. Make sure you don't lose your nuts. Looks like there's a washer that we don't want to lose either. So we're removing those if we can. Now that we have the bolts removed, or the nuts removed, we'll take out the bolts. Does it just look that way our wheel comes off?
In theory, we only have to do it on one side. So we buy these nice tire irons from Larry Fisher, our previous trail boss. I might go in and get my bike ones, which are a little smaller.
Or some spoons.
So there is the tube that was inside the tire. We have a brand new tube.
And the tube is going to go through that hole there. Through that hole. Just don't rip it off the edge. I'll put that back over. Back this there. Trying to do it from the hard way here. But smaller.
So now the new tube is in the tire, and all we need to do is put the tire onto the rim.
You got that one there?
Put it down and hold it over on the left, harder it is on the right.
Holding on to the tube because it's. Work it about. Checking to make sure that you don't have any tube squished under the rim anywhere after all that wrestling we did with it. We don't need to use the bead sealer on this because we don't need the seal. We got a tube inside this tire, so. Now, the question is, I'm going to inflate it, but then for preventative maintenance, I'm probably going to slam that right now. Because the next time we take it out into the woods, we'll be finding some more thorns. And it will be easier to slime while it's right here. It's around and doesn't seem to seal it quite as well. In we go. What we're doing is a little preventative maintenance here by sliming it.
Same thing, righty-tighty.
Mm-hmm. Reading it says we can take it up to maximum inflation on this particular one is 30 pounds. So we want to take it past 30 pounds. All right, go for 25 and that'll be good enough. $25. So again, we're gonna. Hopefully we did the job right. Hopefully I wiped out any of the thorns that may have been on the outside. And if not, hopefully the slime is working, doing its job.
Don't forget your washers.
Forget your lock washers. I think Mimi's done this before.
She's way ahead of you.
Done some things before. Assemble play sets.
Yeah.
Oops. Turn it.
Always a good idea to lubricate moving parts to keep them from squeaking. We hope that this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the Victor Hiking Trails channel.